What's up, guys? This is testing the sound of here, but welcome back to New York session. I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are ready. News coming in hot in a few minutes, so definitely gonna be good. I think Fed spell is speaking in 12 minutes, so yeah, got some time there. But gonna be a good one, guys. Gonna jump straight into things very, very soon, just so we can be ready for news to come out. But welcome back, everybody. Gold still choppy. Let's go. US30 started already. That is incorrect, my brother, but nice one. We will get into that. US30 hasn't done anything as of yet, so yeah, no session doesn't mean it starts separately to anything else. So markets open at 4:30, and we've got Powell speaking at 4:15. So let's just do a quick analysis here for you guys. So before we get into that, Jev, how are you feeling, my man?
I'm feeling good, very confident, waiting to see what the market does.
Good, my brother. Hopefully we're gonna get some bit more action from you here today.
Nah, definitely.
Awesome. All right, guys, so when we see dollar, we are seeing dollar having like a spike here this morning, and now starting to come down. As I said to you guys, always what goes up must come down. So we had constant movement to the top side. We're either going to come back down, start holding these zones, even maybe back to the key level where we'll find support and continue back up. Otherwise, we can see dollar continue to melt to the downside, as obviously Asia highs, Asia lows remain untested. So we're just going to keep an eye on that one. Now when we go over to gold, gold's been going to the downside. As I said to you, you can see my alerts here. I want sells at Asia highs. So basically we've come down, taken Asia lows, and we've just melted after this key level gave in. But we've now regained ourselves back here. We are slowly going to start trading back above this zone. So if we can get back to Asia lows, Asia highs, ideally that would be the perfect area. I'd want to see this be taken to get back inside and get the sell off to the bottom. But again, we can see if we start breaking to the top side, if we see the highs of the day being taken, we definitely can see this move as well. So we're going to react, but I am bearish on the day, guys. All right, so I want to be looking for sells ideally. We go over quickly to Nas, same thing, guys. So we've seen this the last few days. I am bullish. We've traded up, down the whole day, came back up to get Asia highs. Either we can see that quick push all the way down, take the fake out, set the low of the day, go get the daily pivot, which remains untested, find support, and basically come to the top side. But again, we are just going to react. We have news coming out, so ideally, even if we can get just Asia lows and then hold, we can look to continue upwards from there. US30 is very, very similar. You can see this zone we started testing here, some high key levels, which are literally below our Asia lows. So that was setting our day, same thing, took the lows, held this level as support, which we then continued back to Asia highs, inside, back to Asia highs, holding as support and continuing upwards. So same thing we want to see over here. If we can break back down, either testing Asia highs where we hold support, or all the way back down to the daily pivot, which is at Asia lows, or this key support area over here. And if we can hold that, we can basically look to go long off there. Nice quick run through of all the pairs we're going to look at today. Jev, is there anything on your side?
From my side, I'm looking at GBP USD. So
Jev, just hold on there quickly. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
Chris, is that the key in the screenshot? Alright, well there we go. We have got screen sharing now, guys. So Jev, you can show them exactly what you're looking at.
Okay, perfect. I just want to confirm with you if you can see it.
Yeah, you're live, my man.
Okay, perfect. So I'm looking at my daily bias on GBP USD is bearish. So right there at the daily open, I want to see price react there when we head back towards that zone. So this over here will be more or less around the Asian highs as well. So if you can just see a quick sweep, if you can see something like this happen, come back towards the zone, retest, and head towards the downside, that will be the ideal thing for me to see on GBP USD. GJ as well, also looking at it, yesterday I actually had the zone marked out over here, this little green line at 185.400, which is actually a liquidity void. So this is definitely a zone I'm looking at. As you can see over there, I did say that is there a liquidity injection coming. We will see when price gets to that point. The only thing is that standing in its way is the R1 and that supply zone. But then the way I also see it is this could be a double top where people have sold, meaning that could be stop losses slightly slightly above that zone, meaning that price could then potentially pump above it, hit that liquidity injection, and then only drop. So we'll see how price reacts at the supply zone, and then obviously when price gets to yesterday's high. And then on gold, I'm also bearish on the day. Yesterday's demands didn't hold as yet. Now, the only other thing with that also said is the fact that we haven't taken Asian highs. So if we do have a break of structure above these Asian highs, then I will consider going long on gold. But currently, I wouldn't say I have the perfect zone where I would want to sell from, so staying away from that. On Nasdaq, I'll get back to the Nasdaq for you guys later on during the session. US30. Like you can also see them there, bullish on the day, but the moment we get to the 34 250, that institutional level, which is this supply zone all the way up here, it also lines up with the R1. So once we actually see price headed towards this level, I will start looking for shorts towards the downside. So that's pretty much it from my side. Looking at US30, gold, GJ, and GU.
Alright, Neil, we're going to try to get those volume up a little bit now quickly for you. So just in a little bit, let us know if it sounds a bit better for you. What's the number? Too low, so you want them up a little bit. Yeah, so we're going to test it now and then just let us know how that sounds. So load background music. Are you guys actually, now you guys are saying the background music's too low. But alright guys, let's just get into this. So those are basically all the pairs we are looking at for the day. Can you play some tech house? Yo, my man, I wish, but unfortunately I think a lot of things we play we get copyrighted on, so that's an unfortunate thing about that. But everyone there. Yo, Jevin, did you get stopped out on your GJ trade?
Yes, I did hit a break even on that level, and this is also regards to the Asian highs on GJ. So waiting on that. So initially my bias is short. So just before NY session, I had a nice little setup on there, took some partials, but then unfortunately price went to break even. But I'm still bearish on the day.
Awesome, there we go. Okay, guys, 5 minutes till news come out. Looking fresh, Jev.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Fade is in. Let me know that sound. Alright, guys. Okay. I'll just wait for that news to come out. Bearish on the dollar for news. Guys, so things like this, news like this with Powell speaking, you can't really predict. That man is on his own mission. So a lot of the time you'll see when he speaks, it's not an initial flush. You have to keep that in mind. He's literally starting the press conference at that time. So as he starts talking, and certain things he will say will predict what happens on the market. So I don't really have an answer for dollar impact with the news. I honestly still can't get over the clean shave. What's up, boys? No, it's not. I think he meant to say loud. Gentlemen, sell on gold. So I want the sells, yeah. So we're going to see what happens there. Hi fam, I'd like to know what's the best indicator for the sessions or Asia range. Thanks in advance. You can use different ones. It really, to me, there's not much of a best one. I use a different one to what Chris uses. I think Jevin uses a different one. So there's not really a best one. NASA for the mega long. Still a bit loud. I've like dropped this thing like 3 times already now. How's that?
That's good. It's good.
Is that good there? Okay, cool. Why the DAX is flying? DAX. What the hell's DAX?
German to team.
I don't look at that, so I don't know, bro. Gotcha, Sam. Background is okay. Perfect. Thanks, Neil. All right. Okay, let's see what gold can do, guys. I'd love to see that push up to get us in there. Yesterday, Fed Governor Michael Bowman said she expects the future rate hikes will be needed to stomp down inflation. On Monday, Minneapolis Fed President Neil Ashko stated he sees no evidence the economy is weakening, clearing the path for Fed to carry out whatever is necessary to fight. Keys, hold back on the trap training. I can't see Justin behind you.
Yes.
Nas buy in from 15 to 80 profits all the way. Beautiful, my man. We need perfect entries today, Chris. Chris isn't on the markets with us. Like, guys, do you even like look in the video footage? Like, I'm just saying that. Like, I'm Keegan. That's Jeff. If you watch the sessions, you would see Chris isn't
Awesome.
there. Even see Jabba there. Yeah, the man styling there in the background. Little subtle one there. Alright. But yeah, we are just waiting for news to come out. That's the thing, guys. So how dollar goes, that's the thing. There can be a lot of things to do with the inflation and rate cuts. So we're just going to see what happens. But yeah, nothing is literally confirmed until it comes out now. So there we go. The conference has started. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see if we can get some action and volatility in the markets. But as usual, markets only open at half past, so we still won't be trading now until then. When you're going to change the thumbnail, start time, it still says 8:30 on the thumbnail. We will change that soon, my man. Afternoon, been on the road today. Glad you can still make it, my man. Is the news affect gold? It will, depending on what the news does. So the news actually might not even do anything. We just have to wait and see. The banner, yeah, we are on it, guys. They are fixing it there behind the scenes. Keegan Willis post more trading content. Yeah, the man's upping the content there on that side. I must say, I'm not being rude, bro, but I always laugh. And whenever I look at your guys' like screens and that, all I see on the whole like trading view is just chocks and bosses and chock and boss and yeah. Do you use the Asian high as another pivot line? No, not necessarily. And yeah, not just for gold. That is not what we're doing. We're basically trying to manage your high of the day in this case. So we want to see the high of the day be respected. Afternoon all. Any insights on USD CHF? Unfortunately not. I'm not trading that pair. Gold on DXY. Oh, Anton, my brother in crime. I love this man. Always challenges me, always loses, but he's back for another round the next day. Only love there, Anton. Is new to the stream, hoping to make some money. Will you guys help me? We will try our best there, my man. Moski. My camera just overheated. Where's mine? My camera went kablowy.
Yeah, I put it as cold as possible, but
I'll be back soon, guys. They're trying to cancel me. As long as you can hear me, though, we are good. He has not started talking yet. Yeah, guys, as I said, that just means the conference has started. Doesn't mean he is on yet. That's why you won't see just random jumps in the news. That is what's going to happen when he starts talking and dependent on what he is saying. Oh, how you doing? I'm doing great, my brother. How are you? Lol, will do, my boy. Boston Chocks. Yeah, guys. I love it though. Have a 1,300 account, hoping to flip. Yo, bro.
Oldest and highest fancy.
We're gonna see what we can do. I see you a lot better. There we go, guys. I'm back. I'm back in better. US30, we want the buys, but we're just waiting to see what market happens. We can get a pullback anyway. Yeah, Asia highs, Asia lows, even this support area. We're just gonna see which of these we find support at, and then we're gonna take the longs from there.
And here's the thing also, the fact that you can speed it means it's like, no, but that lights up really giving off heat though. Yeah, all the heat comes from it's a bit unfortunate. Let me try this.
It's crazy how 2 days ago he sounded deadly sick, now he's healed. Are you diseases just scared of you, Keeks? Bro, we fight the markets, we fight diseases, we ain't scared of anything. We don't back down for nobody. I swear, bro. A cobra could bite me, and the cobra will die. That's the reality, yeah. Let's just see what we can get. Just got out of a Nas buy. Don't fancy risking it with Uncle Pal showing his hands. Yeah, bro, you don't know anything. Like, literally, that man can just feed your stop loss in like 2 seconds. Keeg Norris, the Chuck Norris of trading. Chuck Norris bloodline, lol. Chuck Norris looks for Keegs under the bed. Oh, guys. I think a cobra spits and not bites. No. Wait, which is the one that spits?
A king cobra.
Is it the king cobra?
Yeah, king cobra spits.
Oh, damn. Look at that, guys. I'll spit back at it. What was the name of the pivot indicator? Pivot standard. Ruben Hendricks, both. Keegs was once hit by a car. It's safe to say the car was a write-off. A spitting cobra. Yeah, guys, you got that one. Use fluid power. They can spit and bite. Cape Cobra will bite the cack out of you. Yeah, no, bro. There's a spitting cobra too. You know what I was thinking of? What's it? The black mamba. That's the one that bites you. That's so deadly as well.
Keeks, just real quick. Someone asked in the chat what's our thoughts on USD Swiss franc. So
you can go through if you want to. I said I'm not looking at it.
yeah, while I'm waiting, let me do him. So
Okay,
I
you are
am.
live.
So looking at the dollar index, just want to double check it. So initially on the week I'm bearish. On the day I am bullish. So then on USD Swiss franc, I have the same correlation. So if you can see over here, I'm on my 15-minute chart. There I have the weekly open. So the open sentiment is one of the things I use for confluence. And then you will also see that the week. No, this is so this is today's open. Okay, so basically, more or less around this zone, you'll also see that the pivot, the S1, lines up with the demand zone. So I think this will also be. No, I think. Yeah, this is also Asia. So basically, I think when price comes back towards this open, this point, I think we'll stop hunt low and then rise. Similar concept for the DXY. I think on the 15-minute, there's a supply zone up there where I expect to see reactions from. So Asia lows untested. So stop hunt low, rise. That's something that could happen. USD yen I also had on here. Let me just quickly run to it. You'll see that all of them kind of have the same confluence. Sorry, it's the wrong provider. So you'll see the same thing on USD yen. Also have a supply zone all the way up there at the November open, and this is a zone I looked at since last week Wednesday. So I've been expecting sales from the zone since last week Wednesday. So I expect the same thing: stop and low, rise to that level, and then drop. And I think this will give us that similar reaction on gold, whereas we're bearish right now. So on gold, drop and then rise. I hope that's helpful.
So Jev, we're gonna have a little daily wager.
On what's that?
I see you bullish on gold,
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
and I'm bearish.
But we gotta see what happens at this demand zone, because initially what I want to see is I first want to see them swipe out yesterday's high and low. So the fact that
You want to
the
see
zone-
yesterday's high go at first.
so usually because there's liquidity at the highs and the lows. So for instance, you would have Asia highs and lows. You would then have liquidity at the high and low of the day, the high and low of the week, high and low of the month, high and low of the quarter, and high and low of the year. Now the fact that this demand zone is still within yesterday's level and not outside of it is kind of risky, because we could easily see it drop below yesterday's low and then go up, because obviously people seeing how gold's moving, there might be people shorting it, which means there might be sell stops down there.
So you want to see this go basically back to 1980.
19?
80, because the daily high of yesterday is 1978.
Oh, sorry. I think I mispronounced myself. Oh, I think I misspoke there. Yesterday's low. Sorry.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro. Like you want to see this thing go that all the way up there.
Nah, sorry, man. Yeah, when you buy it, wanna talk at 1980. Yes. Sorry, guys, if I spoke wrong there.
I was like, damn, bro. Please share Asia range indicator. Can't find a lacquer one. So my one I use is the Sonar Lab Sessions. What do you mean it don't work? Look at this little Slim Shady here in the background. But that's the one I use, guys. So gold to go down first, then sky is the limit. That is if you're on Team J Money. If you're on Team K Rizzle, we are going for the top and then coming down. So literally opposites. I'm not going to go against either of you, so not playing gold today. Asia Rage, Nico. 948, also solid. J Money, let's go. Did you say that Nas you expected to hit a higher demand zone but ultimately short from there? I didn't say that. Jeff, is that what you said?
On Nas, yes, I expect Nas to come down, hit the demand zone, and then go all the way up to my next supply zone. Similar thing for
Okay, so there,
USDT.
yeah, okay, we are agreeing there, yeah.
What's the level you're looking to buy from, Geeks?
Nas,
Yeah.
I'm looking to buy either 15 to 87 or 15 to 55.
15 to 55. Okay, there were the pivot is. Okay, I see. Okay.
Yo, J Money Rory gang, yeah. Please add the watermark so we can know which pair you're looking at. I do have the watermark on.
I don't
brother.
have mine on there. My bad, guys. I'll add it for you. Should be on now.
Cool. Keys, can you see TDWO on Vault? I want to watch Take 2 Rockstar games, but I can't find stocks. I'm not sure, bro. I actually don't know. The watermark is there. That one I'm on board with. Nas. Who's J Money? J Money is Jev. Yo? Hey? You see the boys are hating ya. I've only got looks like only Jevon's got fans here. They all backing Jay Rizzle, yeah. Hey?
I didn't say anything.
Yeah. Phase 1 pass so close. Today's the day. As either you're gonna kill it, bro. We got you. KG Banroll and Jeff Money. I will not you. Jeff. We will lead us to success. Hashtag Keegs must fall. Joking. think we need more likes. No, 100% guys. 211 viewers, only 73 likes. Let's get those likes up to 100, guys. Be mad to go against Keegs. He's feeding the kids over here. Keegs, you being shaded now. Yeah, bro, I see this. Some people said he's a scam. Who's a scam? I think a lot of people are stuck in bars. Messiah, bro, help me, bro, help me. I'm stuck on 0%. I want a team like you guys. Yeah, it's a dream team out here, guys. Demo is life. Oh, J Money is a scam. Okay, I think you talk about the other J Money, not this J Money. I've at least got his back here. KG bankroll. You should start you aren't going to give any more trades unless you get to 100 likes. Yes, we're going to see that thing skyrocket then. I know to back you, Keegs. You made me too much money. I appreciate it, bro. What time frame will be ideal to open a trade? It depends on you. I like looking at my 15. I will drop to the 5, but I take my trades off those two. Jev, I know, likes the 3 minute, if I'm correct.
That's my baby. 3 minutes and 1 minute.
Yeah. So you think Nas100 will keep going up? Yeah, we just want the pullback on it, but we do see it coming back. And that is it, guys. So markets are live. Let's see what happens. Let's get it, guys. First 15-minute shuffle. Round 1. Fight. I like your team, brother. Trio. I want a team like you. Likes on 95. Oh my word. Come on, Nas, come back so I can bleed you dry again. Yeah, bro, we're waiting for it. We are waiting for it, don't you worry. See if gold's going to either slip away from us, but we are already on gold. Nas and US30 give us a little pullbacks we want. We're going to wait for Asia highs. That's our first area. We'll start looking at something. Let's move the likes, Chatadonia. Let's guys get those likes up. But as we were saying, guys, for those that were here in the London session, our boy Mad Shots. Ish, that man's going to retire one of these days. I think a lot sooner than he thinks. Ooh, alerts going off. Nas. Let's go look at Nas. Yes, yes. There we go. Come on, Nas. Give it to us. Okay. Remember, guys, we're waiting for the first 15-minute shuffle. So we just got to let it play nice. And we've got this. Interested in Nas pushing down, US30 pushing up. Who is lying? Exactly, my brother. I'm glad you've been paying attention. One of them are always lying. You've just got to figure out which one. And if you guess correctly, Nas is lying to you. So it's Nas. So let's see if Nas can give us those re-entries. And we are going to be in on it. What are you looking for Nas? So Nas, I wanted the retest of either Asia highs, Asia lows, but we'll see which one gets tested and holds its support. So at this moment, Nas has retested the Asia highs and held the support. So that's confirming we just don't want it to run away from us just of yet. What you looking for Nas? Still giving away 50k fund accounts like it's nobody's business. MC, he's giving them away because he can't trade and neither can the people that are going to trade there. Yeah, because that's the thing, guys. If you are going there, firstly, you're stupid. Secondly, everything else, the conditions are dog crap. And secondly, you can't make too much profits. If you make too much profits, you breach the account. I hope you hear that right. Not if you breach loss. You make too much profit in one day, you breach the contract. So he's happy to give those accounts away because no one's gonna. People are gonna blow up left, right, and center for making money. So you guys can fund him to actually buy a Ferrari one day. Spot on, Keegs. I'd be okay then. So US30, what's DXY doing? Still coming down. See guys, that's where we want gold to still come up. The fact DXY is going down, if there is a little bit of correlation still, gold should be coming up. So we're just waiting on that one patiently. Gold dropped down to London low, then look for a bar. You can go for that one if you want to. I'm not doing that, but you can.
I would not recommend buying from that level because then you're technically gonna be buying an equal low, which is you're gonna become part of the liquidity.
Ooh. You heard it from J Money. Not me, since you guys don't like me, but you heard it from Jev. Sounds similar to my Forex funds then, because that means the company loses when he makes money. Not necessarily. My Forex fund, there wasn't a limit. Like, I made stupid amounts on a day. Yo, Mo. Where's Mo?
Mo's in his own world. Yeah. If Mo goes silent, you must know.
Okay. What happens if you breach the contract for making too much money? So, guys, when you breach a contract, you lose it. Like, you fail the challenge. It's the same thing. Like, if you hit daily drawdown or max drawdown, that's the same as you failing, like, max profits, and then you fail. So, yeah, not a great one. Euro USD pump now. We aren't looking at that, bro. So, best of luck there.
The way
Nasdaq gone long. Yeah, what's that, Jeff?
the way I see Nasdaq and US30. So as you guys always say, like, find out which one is lying first. So for instance, the way I see it is if if US30 goes to my supply zone and drops, then obviously Nasdaq will follow. Then that will cause that pullback that we're expecting for us to then buy. So once we actually have that could be what we should be looking for.
I know, battery exhausted, y'all guys. It is completely dead now. So we are without it.
We apologize. We will get it fixed.
Yeah. Naz is going crazy. It's going crazy, guys. I can't take the trade yet. We got to wait for that first 15 minutes.
Keegan, just check in your... Keegan.
Yeah, bro.
Check Streamlabs there if people can see both of you with that view.
Yeah. They can see me a little bit. Yeah.
That's how we ended the stream today as well, so...
Naz, long trade of the day. Yeah, 100% it is. But we are still waiting. We'll get our entry, guys. I'm very sure we'll get an entry here somewhere. Did you already have a trade? No, we are still waiting for the 15-minute shuffle to come and go. Naz running like Bolt. Not really. It's not done much yet. Imagine having a contract that limits your capabilities. Crazy. Yeah, it's... I literally can't believe. And if people still buy accounts with that, I don't know what you're thinking. She does it every day. She always comes sulking back.
I just want to give a shout out there to Cheslin in the live stream. Just received a picture from his mom, and telling me that, you know, Keegan, Chris, been telling you guys as well, we shouldn't stop with doing. Like, there's really people out here who's watching us all day, learning more from us. So like the effect we have on their lives is really, it's priceless, and the only thing we charge for is likes, literally.
Nah, appreciate it. Which broker is that, Keegs? That is Everblue. That has that max profit crap rule. I don't know what you want to call it. Where's a good place to buy funded accounts? Vault Funder, the one and only. And there we go, guys. Naz coming back. Still loving it. So, yeah. Naz is what I'm waiting for, guys. If we can get Naz, I will be a very happy man.
So
Nice words, brother. You two are great. Not much. If you can either lose or not win much. Exactly. We appreciate what you guys doing. Nice one, great broker. What MA you have? Just my 50. I'll tell you exactly which ones it is. My 20, my 50, and my 200. Looking for longs on Nas. I am. Afternoon, gents. Afternoon. We are still waiting to get in here on Nas. We are waiting for the 50-minute shuffle. Come on, guys. 236 viewers, only 117 likes, guys. Come on, let's get those likes up. Otherwise, I'm going to pull a move there, and it's called, if I don't get likes, you don't get a trade. I'm joking, guys. But nah, we only joke, guys. You know, always help you guys out where we can. But all we ask for is a like. Yes, guys, look at those likes start jumping. The boys, the guys want to trade. Yeah, guys, it was a joke, but yeah, we appreciate it, guys. Guys, you ever use trend lines? Personally, I don't, but I do use it like on a really, really high time frame. So when I'm talking like monthlies and stuff like that, I might use it, but not really. Your camera's out again, Keeks. Yeah, bro, it is kaput. She went kablowy. So we are finishing the stream like this on a 1.5 camera. I totally get going long on something when it goes and takes out a low, but when it takes out a high like Nas, just that how do you know to long? So basically what's happening, you've set a range, okay? You've broken out the low, setting the low of the day as a fake out, getting back in the range, taking the high of the day, holding your high of the day, showing the buyers are coming in, and there you can take the trade off the high. Also knowing that on your bias for the day, you are bullish. So you only want to be looking for buys. Obviously, if you're in a bullish market, the trend will keep making new highs. So yes, this is the high of the day, but a bullish market is going to make a new high. So it will continue upwards. What's the purpose for the pivot points? They're just key areas on the markets. What's your thought about gold? I want to go short. Jevon wants to go long. Nas back from the moon, 100%. Like I said, guys, we're just waiting for the 15 minutes, and then we can definitely try to take a trade here. I definitely think those bars are going to be on for us. Bro, how do you work out the pivot points? Pivot points it is indicator. So just go pivots. Pivot standard.
Sending you a picture.
Who's this?
Cheers then.
Sorry, boys.
I'll forward it to you too. They can see.
Hello, stream.
Alright, guys, when the camera blacks out, you can see there, this man's caught in the act. He steals my cable, so that's when my camera turns
You
off.
shouldn't be talking. These boys
Are
saw
you
the
leaving?
picture. The picture of you are edited. They love it.
You're leaving?
Yeah.
Cool.
If Nas keeps climbing, it's going to break a big downtrend. Bro, that trend was broken like a week ago. It's called pivot point standard on TradingView. Yeah, there we go. Thoughts on US30? We are bullish. 2 minutes, guys, and then we can look to get in on these babies. Come on, give it to us. $2 minutes. Come on. Just needs to pull back a little bit, guys, and I'll literally off the first 50 minute, I'll even go straight for it. I'll dive in first. No, I'm joking. I want to see Asia highs tested one more time, and then we'll take it from there. So let's see. No, thanks, he's been researching, and they all say go short. Well, if they all say that, keep in mind 95% of traders are wrong. Looking at possible shorts around the 34 to 50 region. 30, I'm guessing US30. What's going on with US30 this week? I don't think I've ever seen it move this slow during market hours. Keep in mind, guys, this is still just market open, so these things get a lot of volume. Yesterday, I mean, we caught all of this yesterday. Not even, wait, where was it there? All of this yesterday. So you can still catch big moves. Just got to be patient and you can catch it. 30 seconds. Can we hold right here, guys? Hold right here. And I'll be very happy with going long on Nas. Do, 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 do. And there it goes, guys. Okay, I want to just see a bearish, a flip bearish, and when it flips bullish again after that, I will enter. Do, 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 do. Let's short gold. Not yet, my brother, not yet. Not yet. Okay. And I've taken half a shot at Nas, guys. I'm in. Hey, these things always... Do, 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 do. Alright, guys. Now let's start looking for the juicy stuff. Let's see where our TP is going to be. I'd say we could look at something like over here. That will be our first TP if we start breaking away. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Hey, there she blows. Hello, guys. I don't think she was going to move this quick. Hey, Casper. Gold. Let's short gold. What is gold doing? Why do you want to short it? Bro, why would you want to short there? This thing's in like the middle. Is it the other guy who is talking? Who? Which other guy are we talking about? Yeah, so didn't get US30, that didn't come, but we got Nas. So I literally switched around. We got US30 yesterday, guys. Today we got Nas. Let's see what happens. More than happy to take a little punt at it. TP again, you guys can see the TP, it's on the screen. 15,400 is our first TP. Topic forming on gold right now. Maybe for a fat down spike. He is the other guys and the other guys is him. Either way, Nas locked in. Flying 1540. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. Jiv, what you in today there, my boy?
So currently GJ is at my zone of interest, but now let's see based on this 1 minute, will we have the fake change of character, will we then see the sweep and then see the true change of character, but the sweep of this new high on the 1 minute will determine whether this will be the zone or that zone at 185 400. So let's wait for this fake change of character, and I'll update you once we have that sweep.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then on GU, price is still heading towards that supply zone. It's about 20 pips away. Stack, I missed that with you. US30 is at my zone, so we'll see how that reacts as well. So let's just wait.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, guys, I just want to see those highs being taken there. That I'm very, very happy with this trade. At this point in time, it can still turn around a bit, but we are just going to watch it.
Oh, guys, that USD Swiss franc. Oh, it's looking very interesting. Very interesting. I want to see the same thing happen. Fake change of character, sweep, and then real change of character, fair value gap, and then take the trade from there. So let's wait and see if the zone's going to hold.
Jeff, how much do you pay for that fade, brother?
Yeah, you don't want to know, bruh. You don't want to know. I paid a lot of money.
Yesterday, nice move up if you caught it.
I paid 150 for my cut.
Yeah, that's not bad.
No, it's a lot compared to the guy I usually go to. I get everything, my beard done, my hair, trim, everything for $50. And then if you go and if you go to like these other barbershops, you know, 150 rands. Imagine paying 150 USD for a haircut.
Yeah. It pulled back to Asia highs twice, so I bought the pullback. That's what everyone did, right? We only tapped the Asia highs once, and we never got an entry at Asia highs. So I don't know how you got it there twice, but that would be correct. Did you open on Nas? No, I just drew a picture here so we can look at it. 150 bop. Nice, man. I pay 70 bop. I pay 15 euros. What?
Yeah.
How much is that? For a fade? 300. Yeah.
I'd rather have an afro.
Hey. Yes. My whole barber. Jeff, please keep us updated on USD CHF.
We'll do, guys. Don't worry.
23 euros in Germany. What? Holy guys, that is madness. Bosses want to charge me 250 in Cape Town, and I'm bold. Oh my word! Yeah. Oh my word! That is classic, Keelan. Oh my word! But I must say, when I stayed in Cape Town as well, they got really expensive. I don't know if you know them then, Keelan. I used to go to Edge. And yeah, they were expensive, but I mean, it is nice going there. Where were we? 15 euros in my small town in France. I draw pictures on charts. In Mexico, we pay like $10. Yo. Haircut and shave, $30. US equivalent. Okay, guys, you can go break even on Nas. Okay, there we go, guys. Break even. We are running risk free. Can we get some peaches there in the chat, guys? Literally another one. 2 days in a row. We are running comfortable. Okay, this is our key area now, guys. We just need to see if we can break those highs. TP on Nas, it was 15,400, I think, somewhere there. 75 euros in Munich, oh my word. 21 in Spain, full beard and fade. Haircut is everything. No, it is. A good haircut is a lot. I actually need to go for haircuts. My hair hasn't been this long in a while. Even a little head massage. Oh, bro, but you know, I swear that's what we pay for, is that head massage. Like, when you, that is the best head massage, when you go for a haircut. Oh my word. Like, that stuff puts you to sleep. Just as guys, gold dropping. Daz. Edge is cuck expensive for sure. Yeah, no, that's what I said, bro. It is, but they are good there. So I used to go there, but I knew it is expensive. But it's like an experience when you go there. That's like my me time. Mexican food is good. No, it definitely is. DXY falling. 50 to 75 euros in Sweden. Ooh, okay. We closed like on the high, but we do have a lot of momentum. We had a top wick, so I'm still very happy with the trade, guys. But again, stop loss is a break even, so we can let this run. Sniper entry. Yeah, I think we actually had like a basically zero drawdown almost. Actually was a really good entry. Keys on MT, it shows I entered in bottom of the candle, but on TV it looks at my entry price, it shows I'm nowhere close to the candle. Bro, you might just be on different broker spreads. Selling. No, we are buying. On Nas, the peaches. W, guys. Anabolic locks currently, Keegs. Wish I found you guys ages ago. Awesome channel. Really, really appreciate it. I shaved my own head, so I'm not asked. TP on Nas, please. 15,400. Buying on Nas. Yes, we are in the bars already. We are running risk free. $266 viewers, guys. Let's get those likes up to 200. I know we can do it. The Peach Army is strong. The New York family. We are killing this every single day, guys. Running risk free. We are comfortable here, so we are just chilling. 200 Rand, Moroccan Barber, and nail spray it. Why does not buy US30? We didn't buy US30 because we didn't get an entry on it. We got an entry on Nas. What are we testing? Asia highs. No, I think we found. See, yeah, guys, that's what I was saying. Yeah, we didn't close above. Yes, we had a top wick, but we didn't close above that high. That's the only thing I was worried about. Geeks, one day we must kick Warzone together. Bro, 100%. When the new one comes out, we can definitely jam. I think it comes out on Friday, eh? If I'm correct, Modern Warfare 3. Then the new Warzone map, everything. Jabazana in the background, also Jules, so we can have a little crew there together. Modern Warfare 3 Friday, I've booked the day off. Warzone 3 is December, bro. Okay, well that's short. I've still been loving Modern Warfare 3. It feels like I'm back, reliving my childhood again. Have you guys used the broker GT247? No clue. That sounds like a graphics card or something.
What turbo?
What turbo, yeah. Nas eating us today. It's not really. We are risk free, so Uzar, I feel like you are that little shit stirrer here in the chat. Think tomorrow, lol, the nostalgia. Battlefield is better, bro. I can't get Battlefield, eh? That's it. Alright, guys. I think we got stopped at break even. So I don't know if you guys closed. Ah, there we go. Closed, stopped at break even. There we go, guys. So we'll stop out on that trade. If you guys didn't close, at least it is break even. I think tomorrow, lol, the nostalgia battle is better. North December on the game, it says 1 day. Yo, what's your tag? Let's shoot something. Stopped at break even, alright, guys. Anyone who trades EU, it's back at its lowest. Dag was up 1.2k at a stop loss with, and took a stop loss with a $25 high. Yeah, bro, it's part of it. Like I said, if you guys are happy to close, you close. Gold. Where is gold at our level now? Nah, still not yet. Still not yet. Oh, I can't pre-install over 3 today. Oh, 100%. I'm going to start installing it. Do 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 do. Alright, guys. Like I said, I'm happy to take break evens. I'm not bothered by it at all. Now, guys, we can see for a re-entry. We just need to see what dollar is doing. That 15-minute closing above Asia highs. I'm gonna go for the re-entry, guys. See if we even get back there to Asia highs, and I might take the re-entry there. Only thing is, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna see what this is gonna do over here. That's what we're waiting for, guys. Just keep in mind, so there, our pivots and EQ are untested. So this can be the pullback now. But I just want to see what DXY is going to do.
Now, I second that, Keeks. Also lines up with what I would like to see. So let's see if price comes to our zone.
Five minutes and 15, guys, on the watermark. The number here at the back, that is the candle I'm on. Nas, take out, fake out, even. It can be.
Oh no, it's me. Okay, so guys, on that USD Swiss franc, so now we have that fake change of character that took place. So now that low on the 1 minute chart, the market take out that low. If that low is taken out, then that new high that was set will be our change of character. But let's wait and see. Let's wait for that pullback.
Yeah, we'll get another one. Like I said, guys, I am thinking we can get the sales here. We might milk it both ways today. Keys, do you mind sharing the correlation between the DXY and US30 NAS? Think of it this way, guys. So NAS US30 works off your top 30 businesses and companies. So DXY being the dollar. If DXY gets stronger, meaning the costs of running a company in America get taken a knock, obviously meaning it gets harder for companies to run. So if dollar gets stronger, they are likely to drop. If dollar gets weaker, they likely go up. So it's a nice way to look at it like that. Nas just tapped us, I think. What gold levels are you waiting for? I'm looking for Asia lows. Okay, as I said, guys, there goes that sell. going for those lows. We could jump in on on US30. I don't know. Something's making me hesitate a bit with it, guys. Something is making me just second guess myself a little bit here.
Oh, gold is at my zone from yesterday. This will be interesting to see.
Didn't move my stops to break even. Oh, bro. Why didn't you go stops to break even? Yo, you got chowed, my brother. Ouch. That one must have hurt. That one must have hurt. Rest in peace, F for the chat. For you say I'm looking to go long from 34,159. What's the 34,159, my brother? Why are you looking there? Greed. Can we get a trade? Let's see, guys. US30 is not really giving us an entry criteria yet. That's the only thing. Nas, DXY, they just chilling. DXY coming back down.
Okay, so guys, on my side as well, USDT has formed that fake change of, so now I want to see them take out that high basically, and then from there on see a displacement fair value gap to then maybe potentially short it.
So you still liking the shorts there, Jeff?
Yeah, it's just following pattern basically, and yeah, just following pattern.
I'm still alive in Nas. Maybe you get your pullback, bro. Maybe you get the pullback. Maybe you get the pullback. Praying to power right now. Maybe that man comes in here, your saving grace. Do you think Nas will test 15,179 at some point? Yo, bro, 15,179. If you meet it today, not a chance. Like zero chance. That's not happening. We gonna hate him. Thoughts on gold now. Still nothing for me yet. Nothing for me. Come on, you say just buy your stocks for another day in a row. That's it. Oh. Nah, bro, you gotta just, you can hold out there. Bro, I won't even lie. Like, if you hold on to this, like, that would be crazy. That really would be crazy.
So it looks like GJ is holding, but I don't like the pattern that's itself, so I'm not gonna sell it. So I'd rather wait for it to break that high and go to 185, 400. And also why I wouldn't want to sell these, because GBP USD looks like it's still gonna shoot up till to the daily open, so we'll see from there basically. USD Swiss franc, fair change of character was created, so now we're just waiting for price to sweep that low and then give us a new change of character with a fair value gap.
Okay, and who had that question? I was going to answer now. Peter Lunchman. So, keep in mind, what zone am I using? Again, I said this, yeah. But again, keep in mind, the trade, this whole thing, is a few seconds delayed. So, your trades will close before mine. Your candles, because yours are on your time. This is a delayed, it's about a 2-second delay or something, 1 second delay. So that is why. Sure, was my new god, apparently back at break even and closed. Oh, there we go, brother. So happy for you, my man. I was just still in long. Let's see. My entry is a lower though. Now it's going to run away with everyone. Glad to hear that. There's a 5-second delay on YouTube. Oh, there we go. I'm still holding it. If I survive, this god is with me. Thank you, Azure. Enjoy Power Shrine pending. Gold bar. Guys, do you even listen to what I say? Because I literally answered these questions like literally 30 seconds ago. And then you guys asked me the same thing again. DXY coming back again for round 2. Gold taking more shots. We're just going to tell you all the mistakes we're making. Gold bar, NASDAQ, long USD. That's just the last 3 minutes. You guys are characters, eh? I'll give you guys that. Are you still active in NAS? No, we closed at break even. We closed at break even. Let's see what gold does at this key level though. Guys, what the fuck? Why market's so crazy? Yeah, bro, they are all over the place. They literally are all over the place.
Messiah, I don't know how you pronounce your name. I don't have an entry on gold as yet. I haven't taken any buys on gold. There's no pattern for me to take that buy. However, if this pattern does present itself and it holds, then the entry would be 1957.85, more or less that zone.
What is gold gonna do? Yeah, is it gonna hold this key level? Or is it gonna reject? Let's see here, guys. What is gold gonna do? Quite a important area for gold to hold, so it is interesting to see what it will do now. See the reviews from streamers are trying to sell the bottom right now. Wait for the planks so the Fed stop talking. Yeah, 100%. Just gotta keep active, yeah, guys. What does it look like on a 30 minutes? Okay, dude, we're gonna set an alert, yeah. See if it keeps going down. Oh, flip, that was a bit close. Like there. Let's see if it gets back to that key level. Maybe we get some type of retest, see what it does there. Okay, this is just like gonna go down, I guess. What does the 50-minute close say to you, Keegs? On both Nas and USD, technically speaking. So glad I got out of that Nas, Jesus. We'll look at those for you now, bro. Nas US30. Oh yeah, that was that alert. Okay. Let's go look at what it is doing, guys. Let's go have a look. Nas on the 15-minute. So basically we hold in Asia lows. That's the first thing we're seeing clearly. We had a massive rejection of Asia lows. So that is a good thing. Then if we go over to US30 on the 15-minute, we are failing to push down, so we're holding these support areas, yeah, but we are building structure. So again, that just means the next candles you're gonna have to wait and get some type of confirmation of the next few candles. Because when you go over to DXY is basically, you see, yes, you had this big wick rejection, but DXY is rejecting off Asia highs and just a weekly key level. So this is just like pinballing between the two, yeah. That can definitely still come down. So can definitely still come for the Asia lows to be tested, as that hasn't been tested yet. Ooh, okay guys, gold looking to actually hold that daily key level. Expect a good volume between golds on the S1, but yeah, I don't know. These markets are waiting for us to turn away before the move. 100%, bro. It's always like that. The minute we walk away from our desks, then it's gonna be like, okay, like I'll go your way now. That is literally every single market.
You know, one thing I must say that I haven't been liking ever since I've been on the live streams. Every time I find a setup, it's always like just before we end the live.
James is having a hard time, yeah. Yes, Owens. Oh, Mr. Kyle James in the house. Welcome, my brother. Always good seeing you, yeah. You looking at anything for this New York session, bro? I know you also been loving New York sessions now. Patience and disciplines. Yeah, guys, we like I said, we got our A set up straight off the bat. And unfortunately, we came back down to break even, so I can take that one on the chin. But yeah, then we just carry on and we wait to see what else we can get. Key psychological question. The last week, gold has been going down and you have been looking for buys. How do you change your mindset? So, bro, if you were in the session this morning, I've actually have flipped now. I am now bearish on gold. So I have switched my mindset now. So don't worry. Okay, dollar really seeming to hold Asia highs. I've been here. So we're here this morning then, bro. Because like I said, then I explained why I have flipped now. Let's see, can dollar take the highs back? If this gives that break of structure now, starts going to the top side, we can see these other pairs start to fall a bit again. So that's the thing, guys. Yeah, at this point, this is literally going to just be a waiting game, really. Carlo, I've learned a lot about patience since watching you guys in the New York sessions. Yeah, bro, patience is like everything. Like you need to start having good patience and management in these trades. Demand them. So dollar looking strong to take those highs and switch the momentum again. Alrighty. Just about need to wait to see how these candles close, guys. That's the key thing here for us. Nas is moving nasty. That's why they call it Nas, guys. Did she even close below the low, then retest and short? What do you want in a short? Gold looks like it wants to break key level. It definitely could, guys. It definitely could. $9 on Nas. Thanks, guys. It's rejecting the high time frame. My TP was there. I'm short on Nas. Floating. Yo. So you shorting Nas, bro? We were in the bars, the little baskies. You know, I'm looking on Nas. Outskis on 3R blood, but confluence ain't confluency law. Gold just broke, gold dumping. DXY going down, goals. I mean, it hasn't dumped as of yet. Technically speaking, it hasn't really dumped yet. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. What is US30 doing, bro? These things are up and down the whole day. Like, the whole day. US30 doing. Gold. Gold looking to pull back. What is gold gonna do? Markets are a bit all over the place today, guys. These aren't the days you want to try for something. DXY dropping off again. This is like a roller coaster, guys. They just don't know what they want to do. I can't get entry confirmations on any of these, so yeah, it's one of those days. Literally just sitting here trying to figure out what the hell the markets want to do.
Kyle says Drake told him to short Nas.
Oh yeah, no, bro. Really, those albums you listen to, bro. Boys holding out on us. Well, I might just take the rest of the week off and try again next week. Bro, honestly, I wouldn't even blame you. The markets have been so choppy. Oh, bro, these markets have been so chalk today.
Sean, Jeff, you referred to a lot of displacement and fair value gap. Is ICT my preferred style of analyzing? So that is one thing. I don't like labeling myself as a scalper, intraday trader, IC trader, or whatever the case. I purely just use concepts which I've combined to build a method for myself, and those fair value gaps such as the displacements are just something that adds to my confluence basically. But the basis of my method is the market maker method.
Yo, DXY beige off that daily breaker structure. Gold will end above that key level to end the day. Well, there you go, ladies and gents. You heard it first from the man, the myth, the legend. I was 5 away from passing a funder test Monday morning. I kept trying to force trade. Ended up setting me back 4K. I had one good trade yesterday, but that's it. Yeah, guys, that's the reality. You can't force things in this game. That you cannot do.
Gold's looking very promising so far.
Yeah, that is.
Just want to see that change of character take place, and then everything might just line up with my fib and my fair value gap. Then we smack gold.
I've been wanting to buy. I've actually been wanting to sell gold, but we missed the sales on it. So if we could get a bar, that would be nice. But yeah, we need a lot more confirmation, before we can just go on a bar. Did you take Jay's course?
No, I haven't actually. I'm in his group, but I've never actually studied his work in depth. I would say Jay is very good with dissecting systems and changing things up. So for instance, why I like labeling myself as an ICT or smart money concept trader is because a lot of it confused me, and then when I spoke to Jay, he just changed perspective on it, and but now Jay's good.
But don't you trade the flip zones and stuff like he does?
I don't know. I don't even know how to describe a flip zone in that sense. Purely like, I just go according to the supply and demand, and if demand flips and there's no more demands left, there's only supply left, I'm guessing that is what you call a flip. But there's so many ways you can go about this. Like, for instance, my mentor as well, he's changed ICT up in so many ways where it's like it doesn't even look like ICT, but it's still the same concepts.
I'm with you.
Oh, sorry. What you said now with the flip zones. If you actually look at flip zones as well, in the end, it just becomes Wyckoff. This is why I say, like, a lot of the things in the industry is the same things. For instance, if you look at a high going into a higher high, it's a break of structure. BOS. It's the same thing. I think Mo's asking something in the chat about the
see
camera.
Where? Sales, A short in gold color. Are we still bullish for the week? Did Jeff take just course? Should just be the one with CAC. I trade the flippy floppy 1-5. I love flip. It was just a nice way of not swearing. Lol. Hey Jeff, how'd you get the camera
Yeah.
working? No, we didn't even try to turn it on again yet. Do you want us to? Breakdown to follow after the webinar tonight, broski. My way out of a job by tomorrow. We can see quickly.
P1, Jeff, do you know anything about GAN levels? I do know a GAN box, which I've edited to my settings, where I just find the equilibrium. But as far as I know, when it comes to GAN, GAN is a guy that lived a few years ago. I think he's passed away now. And basically, the whole GAN box system consists of using mathematics and the Fibonacci. So that is highly mathematical. It's you need to be a numbers guy if you want to study that. Which sounds ironic because we're all working with numbers every day, but
Yamo, there is nothing else with the camera, brother. She ain't turning on. My boys went off track yesterday. I'm still struggling with that mentally, so just best walking away today. Let's get, boys. Might see you next week. All good, bro. See you next week. Nas keeps bouncing off those lows. I use again box for my thoughts on GJ. We don't trade GJ now. It's out of session, so no point in trading it now.
yeah, I said it earlier. It is at a supply zone. It lines up with the pivot, lines up with the institutional level. But the pattern right there, that looks like a very scary pattern. I don't think it's gonna drop. I think it's gonna go up. But I'm not saying buy it either. I'm just saying I think it's gonna go up. So be careful if you're looking at GJ. What I would like to see on the pound pairs is basically I want to see a sell on GBP USD at 1.2300. There's a supply zone over there. Also the daily open. I think from there we might be able to see a reaction towards the downside.
Yo, this gold is, it's hurting people there. I can tell you now. I mean, Jeff, that's what we were saying. We didn't enter there because there was a break of structure. Whoever entered on that is getting clapped right now.
And not just that, on gold, if you go on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, currently it's trading within the wick zone, and I don't like that. Usually if I try and do this, I get smacked. So that wick on the 4 hour, it's gonna form a double bottom, I think. I'm not saying buy double bottom either, but that is liquidity, so it could push even lower to the S2. So gold sitting it out today. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow on gold.
Yeah, people are getting hurt there. When GTA 6 releases, I'm retiring. Bro, apparently I saw something sometime this week, so closer to Friday or the weekend, or it's next week, but like now, this week or next week. Apparently GTA 6 is meant to be releasing their official release date and a trailer. We were in Nas, but Nas is doing its own thing, so I'm not in any indices now. Guys, if you look on the 1 hour on DXY, would you say it made?
We missed a beautiful trade in US30. Remember I told you guys 34,250. You want to sell from there. It just touched and dropped. I had no pattern to enter. So unfortunately there we missed out on US30. Check you, Chris.
Yeah, you could, but I mean, on a... Thing is, if you look at DXY, this has just been jumping up here. It's been a bit crazy, so... Yeah, that's a bit of a tough one to say with DXY at the moment. Yeah, well, I mean the camera is off, so it's just unplugging that, yeah. Yo, gold melting.
Ooh. I see something interesting on gold.
Yes, just no, that thing is dying, bro. People are getting hurt there today. Oh, the boy's a bit late. Yo, bro, a bit late. Yeah, stream's like nearly gonna be done. Gold kicked me in the nuts, wicked me out earlier today. I'm pissed. Can't be pissed, bro. I mean, I didn't have much movement, so depending on where you entered, if those wicks were very, very short or your stop loss was small, can't blame it then. Risk off EJ rises, risk on EJ rises, BOJ itself is selling the yen or what? Bro, I don't know if it was me, but that message made no sense. Yo, gold is... Whew.
Gold is rude. That's what it is.
Yeah, gold is... Yes, that thing's taking shots. Nas, as I say, guys, Nas needs to go test the pivot and the EQ. That's what we were worried about for the whole day. Will we see US30 do the same thing? If it's a bit delayed, maybe we get an entry there. So we'll just have to see on that one. But gold, all caps only, especially if you buy a Rari wearing an orange shirt. Oh, shots fired. That's the way, bro. Demo's life.
At Sean, am I gonna catch a falling knife on gold? I feel like it was Edward Scissorhands today. I think I might catch a falling knife.
Bro, what are you buying that off of?
It rejected perfectly off the demand zone I drew out. And
What demand zone?
1950. So if you go on the 4-hour chart, throw my chart.
You haven't tapped 1950 yet.
No, it's close to it, but that's that zone we're looking for it to go touch first. So throw my chart quickly.
You live?
Okay, so you'll see that here we have this massive wick over here. So right over here, this wick. So if I go back on the 15 minute and I go refine it and go all the way back there in time, you would see that it left a demand zone which has not been mitigated. The zone right over here. And it lines up with 1950 right over there. Now it's very low to that zone, but this is that pattern that I talk about where, so here you see price has tapped into the zone over there. So this would be my low. So I see that as my, I always put it as an X. Let me just quickly define this. Now the only thing on this is the way price came down. If I put it in a line chart, I can't really see, like, let me quickly show you an example. Usually I want to see something like that, so I can actually, oh no. So I can actually refer to a point like this for my change of character. But to give you a better understanding of what I'm talking about is, so what happens is, now let's say you have change of character, you have this zone that formed. So they had the fake change of character, sweep the zone, new change of character, that leaves a fair value gap, and you take the trade from there. So going back to Wyckoff. But currently, nothing for me to actually base my change of character off, so I might sit out this falling knife, to be honest.
I was gonna say, bro, I'm gonna see you catch this thing. I will literally take my hat off to you if you catch this thing.
Let's wait and see.
Because that thing is going to hurt people. Gold waterfall, bro. What's going on with indices? Bro, they are useless. I don't know what these indices are doing. It's Everblue Wednesday for gold. Hashtag mad. Oh boy. Hurt people hurt. Would I just get a test of 1946, 947, 946? They'd look for reversal. Once you break 947 and retest, then gold will stop. Will still drop unless you find support on that zone.
Just look how gold pumped from that level now. So, is this it?
Oh yeah. Jeff, you catch that knife, bro. You catch that knife.
Guys, then a lot of you guys have asked me, like, why do I like taking or catching falling knives? Go watch the movie Edward Scissorhands, and you'll see why I don't get hurt.
Bruh. Bruh. Man's playing a dangerous game here. Like, I love gold, guys, but this is a very dangerous game to play now. Full porting my funded now. Oh, Carl, what are you? You're also gonna go try catch that knife, bro. You're gonna buy it. Full margin. I think he's right. I think it should probably go test, at least test 1958 to correct the big move downwards. Jeff cold with it. Gold looking to be hitting a demand area. What is it going to be, guys? What is it going to be? Who wants to catch the knife? It hasn't ended well for many. It's a dangerous game. But do you have the balls to risk it? Bought now on my Rocket X account. Spread kicked me too. Oh my word, bro. Oh, that was classic. Don't do it. Only if it holds and retraces. This thing's dangerous here, guys. I mean, look at this. Whew. This is a very, very dangerous game to play. Joke aside, I'll probably only trade next week. Yeah, bro, this is getting messy now. I mean, Nas, US30 have not a clue what they're doing. DXY also on its own freaking mission. What's your thoughts? Jeff, please just you answer this. I'm not even answering that one anymore.
Thoughts on USD shift?
Yeah.
Still waiting on it to take out. Oh, is my screen on there?
Yeah,
Quickly show my screen quickly. Okay.
on.
So you would see that this is X all the way down here. Now that is, I want to see price take out this low. So same concept which I just explained to you. So I want to see price do this. Tap below that, and then obviously then you'll see that price is forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So then basically if you can see something like this happen, then for instance this would be that last high, and once it is swept, want to see price then trade all the way back up, leave a fair value gap, and then trade back into that zone and then go up. Pretty simple.
Yeah. Thing is, like, Kyle, I agree with you, bro. Like, we need to see that correction, but the thing is, there's no confirmation to take these trades off of. So, like, if you were to enter here, like, what are you taking the trade off of? Like, that's what I say to guys. Like, I'm not feeling FOMO if this thing now flies all the way back up. Like, I don't feel FOMO off that because, like, what am I meant to take this trade off of? I don't normally like trading news, but this video's been cucked without news. I don't necessarily trade news, but I like having news just push that volume into the markets. It does get a little bit boring without it. And the knife has been caught. Bro, I am happy for you, my man. I really am, but not a chance I was going to catch that knife. Not a chance.
So as you guys can see there on USD Swiss franc, there we have that sweep. Now we wait for that change of displacement, and then fair value gap, and look to go long. I wouldn't want to buy gold just yet. So if you are in buys, I would recommend you take your profit, because I still think it's going to come back, pull down, sweep that low, and then go up. Because remember, excitement lets people get into the market too early. Bradley, didn't I spot the bearish flag on US30 earlier? I don't trade flag patterns. So no, I did not spot a bearish flag.
So I'm only gonna wait if we get here, guys. For me, like similar to what Carl's saying, you want 4 hour. I think even 4 hour, like you need something to kind of get back above here, start holding support and trading back up here. A little bit riskier, you can go there, but once you really can either start seeing to take the sells back down or to get the break above and continue. I break structure. Gonna full board now and buy Senate tomorrow. Bro, we all need Senators now. They're clearly attainable. Jeff, did you spot the bearish flag earlier? Oh yeah, that you just said. Jeff for the win. And spot on. Just need to wait for the setups. Looking for usually break below. I was 30 pips down on gold there and I closed 15 pips in profit. Jesus Christ, I've aged about 10 years in those few minutes. Ferrari 175. If you change your candlestick colors to green and yellow, you can only spot the green flag. I mean, guys, if this thing definitely can get back above you can start seeing some trades happen, but yeah, it still is a very, very risky trade. I mean, entering anything here, really. Nas is moving weird today. It's all the markets have been a bit all over the place. Nas100. What's DXY doing? Still, so it's holding Asia lows. Gold battling to get back above that area. Did Walt have a little bit of a push off, but this is the final stand now. Guys, the thing is, they can bounce off that demand. That's irrelevant. Like, that's what you guys are not getting in your heads. It's irrelevant if it does this. If it does that, you just go right there. What's that? You needed to get above an area that it starts going bullish. So a bounce of an area means nothing.
Yeah, very true. Like you can just say this. So this goes in line with the demand to supply flip or supply to demand flip, whereas it just bounced off that, which means you could have mitigated it, opening that space to continue going down to the downside. So the only way to determine if gold will be bullish is if it starts forming more demand chain, taking out all the supply, basically, if that makes sense. GU was heading towards that supply zone. It's almost there. It's about 13 pips away. Also goes back to what we said about GJ, why we wouldn't be looking to sell GJ at this level. As you guys can see, price broke that high, heading towards the upside. So if you sold there, you would have been stopped out, unless you have a massive stop loss.
But otherwise, guys, that's it. It's going to be 6 o'clock now. There is nothing on the markets now. We got something in the very start. After that, it has just been rubbish. So I think we're going to call it there for the day, guys. We will be back again tomorrow.
Before we go, guys, like I said, also I hated the fact that my setups always only start setting up once we're supposed to leave. So 1.2300 USD, want to see on the 5-minute price, hold that zone, confirmation candle, and then sell it and also lines up with the pivot slightly above that. So that's the only thing I'll be looking at. Keisha, maybe show my screen quickly.
You live, bro.
Okay, so on that green line over there, just slightly below the institutional level, I would say, you know, go for maybe 6.5 stop, and then target these unmitigated demand zones over here. So that will give you a risk reward of like 1 to 7 if you do catch that, and if it does play out. So waiting for price to do that. Swiss franc is gonna keep on dropping towards the downside, so be mindful of that.